Hey guys, welcome to Techter's tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about using ChatGPT to generate leads step-by-step tutorial. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to effectively generate leads in 2023 using ChatGPT. In case you're not familiar with ChatGPT, so this is actually like having a virtual assistant that you can communicate with just like a human being. So we'll be using this platform in here. You'll just need to simply search ChatGPT or OpenAI.com onto your local browser, and then you'll get redirected onto this page. So we're gonna use this to craft personalized outreach emails, making our lead generation efforts even more effective. So as you can see, we have the get started option in here to log in and sign up. So if you don't have an account yet, we'll start on to signing up. So just simply click onto the sign up button in here. And right after, you'll get redirected onto the page to create your account. Note that phone verification may be required for sign up, and your number will be only used to verify your identity for security purposes. So you can add in your email in here and then click on to continue, or you have the option to continue with Google, Microsoft account, and Apple. And if you have an account already, just simply click onto the login option in here. Now the same process with signing up, you should be able to enter your email, then continue with Google as well, Microsoft account, and continue with Apple. So personally, I'd like to incorporate most of the website accounts that I have to Google so that I don't have to remember the email or the password for that. I'll just simply click onto this button in here and then I'll get redirected to my own account. And once you're complete the login, you should get redirected onto ChatGPT's dashboard. So as you can see here onto the upper part, there are actually two versions of it. We're currently using the GPT 3.5, which is the fastest model, great for most everyday tasks. So this is actually available to free and plus users. And if you want to upgrade more or use other features, we have the GPT-4, which is the most capable model, great for tasks that require creativity and advanced reasoning. So this is available exclusively to plus users, and it currently has a cap of 25 messages every 3 hours. So if you'd like to upgrade to use these features onto this version, you'll just need to simply click onto the upgrade button in here. This is what its dashboard would look like. You'll have some examples in here onto a prompt, since you'll just need to send a message in here just like talking to a real person, and then it will give you a response. So you'll just need to type in here onto the lower part and then click onto this green button. So once you have typed in something in here, this will turn into a green button, and once you've hit send, then you'll be able to get a response from ChatGPT. And then right after, you don't have to use the specific tools that I will mention in this tutorial. There are actually some alternatives in here that you could use. So I'll just gonna share what works. So we'll try to use the igleads.io first. We're gonna use this for scraping emails, and we're gonna use another's website in here, which is the GMAS. So this is for sending out the cold emails. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to use this feature in here. But if you have anything in there or you have something that works for you, then you could try to use that one out. We're just gonna focus onto using our friendly AI in here, which is ChatGPT. So our lead generation process actually consists of three main steps, which is scraping leads, crafting emails, and booking calls. So we're gonna use this certain platform in here, which is the igleads.io. And if you're not sure what this one is, I'll give you a quick overview. In simple terms, this tool is used for finding and collecting the email address from various sources on the internet. So it will allow users to search for and gather email addresses related to specific interests or industries. So this can be particularly helpful for businesses or individuals looking to build contact lists for outreach and marketing purposes. So if you have noticed, there are a lot of amazing reviews that was given by the users of this platform. And there are also video reviews by using this platform. So this really works well. But if you have any other alternatives that you could use, you could try that one out. But I highly recommend using this specific platform. Now to get started into using this platform, you could go ahead and log in or use the free trial in here. And if you sign up for the free trial, you're gonna go ahead and get redirected onto the create an account page. And you'll just need to type in your full name, your email, the password, confirm your password, and by clicking onto this checkbox, you should agree to the trial agreement and the privacy policy, and just simply click onto the sign up now. Now here onto the left side, you should be able to see the different platforms that you could scrape from. So we're actually scraping from a multi-channel in here, and then we'll need to type in a keyword and how many emails. So for this example, let's say we're targeting e-commerce store owners. So we'll try to add it in here. E-com. We have some suggestions in here. We could go ahead and type in this e-commerce business owner and how many emails. We could try 50 or just 20 just for this example. Then right ahead, we're gonna go ahead and click on to search. So we're gonna go ahead and try to see first the other platform that we're gonna use, which is the Gmail. Now this is a straightforward email marketing tool that integrates with Gmail. So this will allow users to send mass email directly from their Gmail account, making it easy to reach a large audience while still benefiting from Gmail's familiar interface. So this offers features like mail merging, scheduling, tracking email campaigns, and it is a convenient solution for anyone looking to send personalized mass emails without the need for a separate email marketing platform. So for you to be able to use this, you'll just go ahead and click on the login in here or this add to Gmail button. It will redirect you onto the Chrome Web Store where it gives you an option to add this to your Chrome. Your account is already set onto Gmail. You should be able to see the screen in here. So I'll just need to click the button below to create a sample message, then click the Gmail button to send my staff a mass personalized email. So we'll try that one out. We're just gonna wait for the document to be downloaded or the email script. This one is already finished. We're gonna go ahead and just simply click onto the download option in here so that we could go ahead and transfer the details to Google Sheets. Now to move the files, we're just gonna go ahead and click onto the file button in here, click onto import, drop in here the file that we have downloaded, and right after, just simply click onto the import data. So right after, we'll only need the name and the email, so we're just gonna go ahead and hide the other columns in here to avoid any confusion. So just simply right click onto it and click onto the hide column, see that specific page. Now, as you can see, what's left in here is just the name and the email. So we're gonna go ahead and try to resize this one out for a clearer view. And then right after, we're gonna go ahead onto the other platform. We're gonna go ahead to the main tool that we're gonna use, which is ChatGPT. ChatGPT in here like a virtual assistant, and we'll ask it to write me a cold outreach email. I want to talk to e-com store owners and offer them my marketing services. So you could update them this as per you would like to do, and we'll just hit on the send in here so that we should be able to get the email. Now, as you can see in here, we've gone ahead and leveraged ChatGPT to compose our cold outreach email. So we just simply ask it to draft an email based onto our requirements in here, and you could just customize it further if needed. So remember that it is really essential to make this email sound human and personalized. Now, the next thing that we'll do in here is we're gonna go ahead and copy the email subject from ChatGPT. So this one. Now, once you have copied the subject out in here, we're gonna go ahead and head back to the Gmail. So it's just gonna click on the show me some magic in here. And then we're gonna go ahead and add that onto the subject. Now here onto the recipients, we're just gonna hover onto this and you'll see this button in here. We're just gonna go ahead and click onto that. And how do you wanna add a recipient? We'll choose Google Sheet in here. Let's click onto that. And then right after, we're just gonna go ahead and authorize this to our Google. Then right after, you're just gonna go ahead and search for the file that we have added onto the spreadsheet earlier, and then click on to connect the spreadsheet so that you could go ahead and add in the recipients in there. So as you can see, we've gone ahead and already added the recipients in here. So what we're gonna do next in here is we're just gonna go ahead and copy out the email in here. You need to adjust this first so that you should be able to have this one fixed out, since there are some things in here that are needed to be filled out, such as your information. And we're just gonna go ahead and paste this. And then right after, gonna go ahead and click on the Gmail so that this would send individual emails to the persons onto your recipients. And right after, you'll just need to repeat this process consistently, reaching out to potential leads and offering them value. The goal in here is to send out their emails to those who are interested in your services and products. And there you have it. You've learned how to use ChatGPT for lead generation. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.